Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can restore Snapchat streak. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat application and click on your profile picture on the top left. From here you need to click on the gear icon on the top right and scroll down. And here you can see in support here you can see I lost my snap streak. Click on that. So here you can see that how do I restore my snap streak. You simply need to click on that. So here you can see that if you are facing trouble, so this is the complete process, but let me show you how you can do that. So you simply need to click on I need help, wait for a few seconds, and here you need to search for snap streak, hit enter. So here you can see that click on next and click on three bars, click on contact us, and here you need to submit a request. So click on I lost my snap streak. So here you can see I'm having trouble restoring my snap streak in the app. Click on that and click on no, and you need to fill out this form. Click here this form. So scroll down and here you need to enter your username, your email, your mobile number, your device, your complete detail, and then you simply need to submit a request, and then the Snapchat team will help to restore your streak. So this is the complete process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.